We got a great video for you today on how to have fun cruising. That's right, if you love cruising, you're gonna love this video. And if you've always wanted to go to Europe, guess what? We got a great destination for you. That's right, folks. Acropolis, Athens, Greece. You're gonna love this.
Hello everyone, we have a very special video for you today. We are here in the Acropolis of Athens and we are visiting very unique and historic monuments. One of them is the Parthenon that is here behind my shoulder. I'm sure that you're gonna love this video, so please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and thank you so much for watching.
That's right, folks. This one is a good one. Grab all your friends, grab all your relatives, grab your kids, grab that popcorn because we just landed in Athens. That's right, on a Carnival cruise ship. And boy, oh boy, were we excited like never before. Alice went out and got her a Greek dress. You're going to get to see later. We crowned her with some Greek crown and we got to go and check this place out. It's got tons of history, tons of really, really interesting background. And we're going to walk you through, give you some tips, and tell you all about this place so you're prepared for your trip. If you haven't, definitely hit that subscribe button. Check out our Facebook, Instagram page, our website, How to Have Fun Cruising. And no question, you're going to love this channel. We got cruise videos from all over the world. That's right. Now we have cruise videos from Africa, Europe, Caribbean, you name it, we've got it. You're going to want to subscribe. So if you would, hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much to Alice and I. Check out our sister channels, How to Have Fun Outdoors, well over 100,000 subscribers, travel all over the world. We got How to Have Fun Camping, How to Have Fun Fishing, all kinds of stuff to motivate you to get outside. So hit that like button and let's go check out, that's right, the Acropolis, Athens, and also all of the shopping around that area to give you some good tips on your next cruise. And if you're at that couch right now watching this on a TV, look at your spouse and say, "Take me to Athens."
Welcome to Athens, everyone. Excited to go and visit the Acropolis. Let's do it. Tommy usually is the one doing the voiceover, but I wanted to share a comment with you guys because Athens is worth a visit. There is so much history, art, culture, so much to learn. So just go and enjoy the video.
Wow, Alice made it into the editing room. Let's hear it for Alice, everyone. Well, guess what? Let's go ahead and get started. We got off the cruise ship. We were on Carnival. It was amazing. And then took the bus over to the Acropolis. That's right. This is historical, dating back to the 5th century BCE. And most of these remains are from the ancient times. It is absolutely incredible. So you queue up, as you can see here. The first thing to think about is definitely making sure that you have all the proper gear. It gets warm here. You want to have the right clothes. You want to have plenty of water. Bring all of your backpack and accessories that you want. And definitely suntan lotion. It is hot and the sun is blaring all day long. And definitely make time to see as much as you can possibly see. A lot of people focus in on the main attractions, but there's all kinds of little sites like this one right here as we walked up to the main area, and you know, there's all kinds of ruins. But basically, this was a UNESCO World Heritage Site from 1987. That's right, when it got recognized for the outstanding universal value of this historical site, which is incredible. When you walk up to this thing, it is incredible.
Of the Athenian democracy after the 6th century BC, when I told you that this site was converted into a sanctuary, and so the city get accommodate.
So as you go through this tour, you'll have a tour guide. Everyone gets assigned one. They keep it moving along, so you're not there to kind of roam around. Everybody has a tour guide, and they're going to stop at all the different stops, give you all the history. We're not going to go through all that history today, but boy, oh boy, there are tons of it. That's right. This thing goes way, way back. There was all kinds of wars and damage to this area and, you know, all kinds of history. But back in 1687, that's when it was seriously damaged. And that's pretty much what you see today, the remnants from that last big, and it was called the Moorian War. And when gunpowder was being stored up there and the Turkish rulers really went after it with the Parthenon, and it was hit by that Venetian bombardment and exploded the site that everybody is familiar seeing today. So what an incredible storyline. But when you get up there, you can just be blown away by how mammoth this particular area is. It is incredible. This site from here above Athens, you can look out from all different sides. It was really cool where they built this, and all of this has been held there, and they're still to this day trying to put the pieces back together. There are all kinds of column pieces and block pieces all over this big hill, but no question about it, it is incredible, and the Acropolis is the centerpiece to all of this. The city constructed this between 447 and 432 BCE. That's how old it is. It is incredibly old, and no question about it, it is remarkable. They don't like you setting up with tripods and all of that. You can do video, you can do film, so those are the tips there, but they're not going to let you set up and spend a lot of time in photography. So they kind of move. There's just so many people visiting this site. It's really hard to get that, I would say quality time to get a great pictures that you see in a lot of this. But this goes back to the Greek Bronze Age. That's 1600 BCE. And it was primarily built during the Golden Age of Athens. And here are some of the pictures of that. But we're going to sit back, play some music for you guys, throw up a bunch of facts. But let's go take a look at the Acropolis. I think you're going to love it. And no question about it, if you get the chance, get on over there and see it in real life. Because it's like the Grand Canyon. No question about it. It is way bigger than what you would ever expect. And seeing it in real life, the scale, the scope of it is remarkable. When you think of all the buildings today with columns like capitals and everything else, it was all influence going back to this era, right? With the art and the architecture throughout this area, it has inspired numerous buildings worldwide and continues to be the symbol of the ancient Greek world. So no question, it's had some crazy influence on almost everything we know, from state capitol buildings to Washington, D.C., to banks, to Wall Street, you name it. Think about it. All these columns come back to this era, and it is remarkable. And as you can see, all the other buildings that surround this main Acropolis are equally as amazing. And you don't get to see a lot about that, including this temple, the Nike temple, which is absolutely incredible. Built back around 427 to 424 BCE also. And the art in the temple of Nike there is absolutely amazing. I love the way the female bodies were crafted into the columns. This was actually dedicated to Athena Nike, the goddess of victory, to celebrate their victory. And I'm not sure if it's Nike or Nike, Alice, which one is it?
Actually, if we are talking in Greek, Tommy, is not Nike or Nike. The name of the goddess is actually Nike. That is a very ancient name of the ancient Greek language.
Okay, there you go, folks. So a little more history, but let's get on with the rest of this village and go take a look. But I stand corrected again. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of this amazing place. We love cruising, and we know you do too if you're on this channel. If you haven't subscribed to How to Have Fun Cruising, we cruise all over the world. Right outside of this area with Acropolis, there's all kinds of museums to go to also, but we're going to give you some more tips now as we walk you through the different village in the area, shopping areas. You're going to love this. Take a look.
Another great tips is that just outside of the Acropolis there is a nice area with a lot of shops, and it's really nice. Let's go and see what they offer.
How about some Greek donuts, some gelato, and all kinds of great Greek food? Believe it or not, when you walk around, make sure you have your credit card or cash because the chow is fantastic. This is one day we recommend eating off the ship.
Thank you, Abby. Hello. The best shop in Athens.
More dresses for Alice.
She has great taste, and she always gives you the greatest ideas.
Alice, being Italian, loved to go to all the different little shops and meet the owners, and all kinds of crafts, all kinds of clothes, all kinds of souvenirs, everything you ever wanted, you're definitely going to want to check out. It is absolutely incredible, the craftsmanship and the detail to a lot of what's there. You will love it, no question. Definitely want to shop around this area. It is fantastic. And overall, we hope you enjoy this video from How to Have Fun Cruising. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much to us. And learn about cruising all over the world, shore excursions, you name it. We've got it on this channel. And also check out our sister channel, How to Have Fun Outdoors, with travel and destinations all over the world. And now we have How to Have Fun Camping and How to Have Fun Fishing also. If you love those hobbies, we've got a lot of great stuff there. But let's get back to the video and check out this beautiful part of Athens that we just fell in love with.
Another important tip is don't miss this shop and get some good gelato. Look at how good they are, and the whole handmade.
Wow, this gelato is amazing. Hey, what are you doing? I thought you said no gelato.
Well, if you do the shore excursion with Carnival Cruise Line, it is fantastic because then after you do all of this, you'll have a meetup and you actually get to have an authentic Greek lunch. That's right. We're going to show you that in a couple of minutes and then wrap up the video, but you definitely want to see that. And boy, oh boy, did we have a great time. I mean, really wonderful shore excursion. We highly recommend a cruise over to the Mediterranean, all these Greek islands, Athens. This is wonderful, a wonderful trip, especially if you're used to doing the Caribbean and some of those cruises. You're gonna really like this to add to your list of cruises that you've accomplished. So definitely comment down below. Have you been to Europe? Have you tried? What cruise line did you go? How did you like it? And let's go check out the chow with Alice.
Wow, we thought lunch was over and you got more, Alice.
I know, I don't know how I'm gonna finish this. I was ready for dessert. That is not dessert.
Wow, tons of food.
Well, out of Athens, right outside of the Acropolis, there is the first modern Olympics theater. A lot of people don't know, but the Olympics, they were actually born before Christ in Olympia, and this we are going to show it to you tomorrow. Today instead we are showing you when the Olympics came back after the ban from the Romans. And here in the late 1800s, I believe 1890 something, there was this new theater came out, and the Olympics, they were restored, and they came from that moment on until today with no more stops in the history. Alright, I just double checked, I was right, it was 1896 when this was opened up and the new Olympics, the modern Olympics, took place back at the time.
This is where it started, right here, folks. And take a look at the statistics on this. That's right, 60,000 people fit in this. And believe it or not, over 1 million cubic feet of marble. Pretty remarkable.
stadium is absolutely remarkable. Why? It's built entirely out of marble. The only stadium in the world built entirely out of marble, and it continues to be the symbol of the Olympic legacy. So many people come here to check it out. It truly is fantastic. Well, let me say this. Carnival did a great job with this shore excursion. Really happy that we signed up with them to do this. They got us through all of these different areas without issue. And it was a great time. One of our best shore excursions, to be honest, while we were over in Europe. Comment down below. Have you been to Europe on a cruise? What cruise line did you take? What places did you like to go? How about the Greek islands? How about Ephesus, Turkey? Check out that video we did. Italy, Sicily, all over Spain. Mallorca, there's so many great places. So comment down below, let us all know what you think of it. And let's go check out Alice. She's got some more ruins for us before we close down this video.
Wow, here there are some more old ruins. They are everywhere.
Yeah, take a look. This used to be the harbor, and even here in Athens, they have the old ruins. This city had to be amazing in its day, huh?
Yes, huge and really, really exciting. We're back.
Welcome back, Alice.
Thank you. I come back as a queen. Hey, Tommy. Are we ready to get some jacuzzi done right now after a good full day in Athens?
Let's do the jacuzzi. Carnival time.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. Carnival did a great job of fantastic shore excursion. Comment down below. What do you think of the European cruises, Carnival Cruise Line, and other cruises you've taken to Europe? And thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun Cruising.